What if your barndominium had a reinforced storm shelter built into the foundation, hidden storage rooms behind bookshelf doors, and a second-story safe room that doubles as an office? Two-story barndominiums with storm shelters and hidden storage are being built in 2026 for $30,000 to $60,000 more than standard builds. I'm breaking down exactly what that money gets you and whether it's worth it. Stay through this because there's one storm shelter design that costs $15,000 less than the others while providing the same protection, and most people building these never hear about it. Also, there's a hidden storage feature that adds almost zero cost if you plan it during framing, but costs $8,000 to $12,000 to add later, and I'll show you exactly what it is. These numbers come from actual two-story barndominium builds completed in 2026 across tornado zones, hurricane regions, and rural areas where storm protection and secure storage matter. The designs aren't extreme, they're practical solutions for severe weather, home security, and emergency preparedness. This is what it costs and how it works. What makes these different? A two-story barndominium with storm shelters and hidden storage integrates protection and security into the design from day one. It's not an add-on, it's engineered into the structure. Key features include reinforced storm shelters built into the foundation or first floor, hidden storage rooms accessed through concealed doors, safe rooms on the second floor with reinforced walls and independent locks, hardened entry points with security doors and reinforced frames, and strategic design for safety and functionality. This isn't about bunkers or extreme scenarios. It's about smart design that protects your family during tornadoes, keeps valuables secure, and gives you peace of mind in rural areas where emergency response takes time. Two-story designs work especially well because the second floor provides elevation and emergency options, while the first floor handles storm shelter integration and hidden storage. Storm shelter options. Storm shelters are the foundation of these builds. Here are your options. In-slab storm shelter, $8,000 to $15,000. Built directly into your concrete slab during foundation pour. Steel reinforced walls and ceiling, typically 8 by 8 to 10 by 10 feet. Fits 6 to 10 people. Access through a floor hatch inside the house, usually in a closet or utility room. This is the cheapest option because it's integrated during construction. Adding it later costs $20,000 to $35,000. FEMA-rated for EF5 tornadoes. Requires proper ventilation and drainage. Above-ground safe room, $10,000 to $18,000. Steel or reinforced concrete room built into the first floor, typically in a closet, pantry, or utility area. Walls are 1/4-inch steel plate or 8-inch reinforced concrete. The door is steel with multi-point locking. Occupies 64 to 100 square feet. More expensive than in-slab, but easier to access, especially for elderly or disabled family members. No ladders or hatches. FEMA-rated for EF5 tornadoes and Category 5 hurricanes. Garage floor shelter, $6,000 to $12,000. Built into the garage slab, steel door in the floor, underground chamber below. Access via ladder. Cheaper because garage slabs are already thicker for vehicle loads. This is the budget option I mentioned in the retention tease. Same protection as in-slab house shelters, but costs $2,000 to $5,000 less because you're using existing garage foundation work. Most people skip this location, but it works perfectly. Prefab bolt-together shelter, $5,000 to $10,000. Factory-made steel shelter that bolts to your slab. Installed after construction, 6 by 6 to 8 by 8 feet. FEMA-rated. Only choose this if you're adding storm protection after the build is complete. Better to integrate during construction.
Second-story safe room. A second-story safe room gives you a secure space above ground with independent access and reinforced protection. Typical design, 10 by 12 to 12 by 14 feet. Reinforced walls with steel studs and security-grade drywall or concrete board. Steel door with multi-point lock. Independent keyed entry. Small window with security bars or shatter-resistant glass. Can function as home office, bedroom, or storage when not in use. Cost $8,000 to $15,000 above standard framing and finishing. Includes reinforced walls, security door, upgraded locks, and reinforced floor joists to handle additional weight. Why second story? Elevation provides visibility and emergency options. Harder to access than ground-level rooms. Provides secure space when storm shelter isn't needed. Gives you options. If severe weather is coming, you go down to the shelter. For other emergencies, you have a secure room upstairs. Hidden storage rooms. Hidden storage isn't a gimmick. It's functional, secure storage built into your design. Bookshelf door, $1,500 to $3,500. Full bookshelf that swings open on concealed hinges to reveal a storage room behind. Storage room is typically 6 by 8 to 8 by 10 feet, accessed through what looks like a built-in bookshelf in the living room, office, or hallway. Built during framing, this costs $1,500 to $2,500 for the hidden door mechanism and bookshelf. Built after construction, it costs $4,000 to $6,000 because you're cutting into finished walls. Perfect for storing valuables, important documents, emergency supplies, or anything you want secured and hidden. Floor-safe vault, $2,000 to $5,000. In-floor vault built into the slab during foundation pour, accessed through a hidden hatch, usually under furniture, rugs, or removable flooring. Vault is steel-lined and waterproof, 2 by 2 to 3 by 3 feet. This is the feature I mentioned in the retention tees. If you pour it into your slab during construction, it costs $2,000 to $3,500. Cutting into an existing slab and retrofitting costs $8,000 to $12,000. Ideal for securing cash, jewelry, documents, or emergency supplies. Hidden pantry or storage room, $3,000 to $6,000. Full-size room hidden behind a false wall, cabinet panel, or shelving unit. Room is 8 by 10 to 10 by 12 feet. Accessed through a concealed door that looks like part of the wall. Functions as secure food storage, emergency supply room, or general hidden storage. Built during framing, this adds $3,000 to $6,000 in materials and labor. Retrofitting costs $8,000 to $15,000. Hardened entry points. These barndominiums reinforce entry points to improve security and delay forced entry. Security doors, $1,200 to $3,000 per door. Steel door with reinforced frame, multi-point locking system, kick-proof strike plates, viewing window or peephole. Installed on front, back, and garage entry doors. Standard residential doors fail quickly during forced entry. Security doors provide significant delay. That time matters when you're calling for help or getting to your safe room. Reinforced door frames, $300 to $600 per door. Steel or hardwood frames with long anchor screws into studs. Prevents door frame from splitting during forced entry attempts. Standard frames use 1-inch screws. Reinforced frames use 3-inch screws into framing. Cheap upgrade with significant security improvement. Window security film or bars, $500 to $2,000. Security film makes glass shatter-resistant, costs $8 to $15 per square foot installed. Bars are steel or wrought iron, cost $100 to $300 per window installed. Ground floor windows get security film or bars. Second floor windows typically don't need them unless accessible from porches or roofs.
Here's what a 2-story barndominium with these features costs compared to a standard build. Standard 2,000 square foot 2-story barndominium, $200,000 to $280,000 turnkey. Storm shelter and hidden storage upgrades. Storm shelter, garage floor, $6,000 to $12,000. Second story safe room, $8,000 to $15,000. Hidden bookshelf door storage, $1,500 to $3,500. Floor safe vault,
$2,000 to $5,000. Security doors, 3 doors, $3,600 to $9,000. Reinforced frames, 3 doors, $900 to $1,800. Window security film, $1,000 to $2,500. Total upgrades, $23,000 to $48,700. Total build cost, $223,000 to $328,700. Hit the lower end by choosing garage floor storm shelter, minimal hidden storage, and security doors on main entries only. Hit the higher end with in-slab shelter, multiple hidden rooms, and full security hardening. Most people spend $30,000 to $40,000 on these upgrades and end up around $230,000 to $320,000 total. Is it worth it? Here's the truth. These features aren't for everyone, but if you're in Tornado Alley, hurricane zones, or rural areas with slow emergency response, they make sense. Storm shelters save lives. EF4 and EF5 tornadoes destroy standard homes. FEMA-rated shelters survive. If you're in tornado country, a storm shelter isn't extreme, it's smart planning. Hidden storage protects valuables. Home security matters, especially in rural areas. Hidden storage keeps important items secure even during break-ins. It's peace of mind. Safe rooms provide options. Whether it's severe weather, security concerns, or emergencies, having a secure room gives you time and options. Hardened entry points improve security. Security doors and reinforced frames provide significant delay during forced entry attempts, buying you time. The question isn't whether these features are worth it. The question is whether your location and situation justify the cost. If you're in a low-risk area with no severe weather, skip it. If you're in Tornado Alley or rural areas with long emergency response times, it's worth every dollar. 2-story barndominiums with storm shelters and hidden storage aren't about fear. They're about smart planning for real risks. Tornadoes happen. Security matters. Being prepared isn't extreme, it's responsible. For $30,000 to $40,000 above a standard build, you get storm protection, secure hidden storage, a second-story safe room, and hardened entry points. That's less than 15% of your total build cost for features that could protect your family and everything you own. Design it during the build. Don't retrofit later. Every feature costs 50% to 100% more to add after construction is complete. What features would you add? Drop a comment, and if you need help designing a layout with storm shelters and hidden storage, let me know. And if this opened your eyes to what's possible, subscribe because I cover real barndominium builds with actual costs every week. Building smart means building safe. These features do both.